If you are someone who snores at night, wakes up with a blocked nose, or has a bad breath in the morning, this tiny strip is your go-to solution.
So you'll breathe better, sleep deeper, and yes, your breath way fresher. No pills, no sprays, just one strip every night. Limura nasal strip, one strip every night.